Hello students, this is Samita Badola from Jagan Public School, Noida. Today I am going to tell you about the most important natural resource, air. Natural resources are resources that exist without any action of humankind. This includes all valued characteristics such as commercial and industrial use, aesthetic value, scientific interest, and cultural value. On Earth, it includes sunlight, atmosphere, water, land, along with all vegetation and animal life. So let's know about air. Air is always all around us. We feel it only when it moves. For example, if you go to the garden or park or you stand on your roof, you can feel it. Air is a mixture of many gases. It is a composition of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases. When wind blows very fast, it is called a storm. The Loo is a strong, dusty, gusty, hot and dry summer wind from the west which blows over the western region of North India and Pakistan. It is especially strong in the months of May and June. When air blows gently, it is called breeze. Strong wind has a very high speed. It can change the direction of things like kites, balloons, and smoke that comes in its way. Air always blows in a direction. The direction of air can be seen by the movement of things like branches of trees, movement of kites, and smoke from the chimneys. If you stand in a windy place, the direction in which your clothes fly will show you the direction of the wind. Air has force. Moving air has a lot of force in it. A storm can uproot trees and blow the roofs of kacha houses. Moving air, or you can storm, can destroy many cities. It affects our lives. Air is useful. Moving air or wind helps us in many ways. Wind moves the blades of a windmill. A windmill helps to produce electricity and draw out water from wells. Wind helps a hot air balloon to rise and fly. Wind helps boats to sail on water. Wind carries the seeds of trees to far off places. Later these seeds grow into new plants. Wind helps clothes to dry faster. Wind helps kites to fly. Let's know about the different components of air which together make it. Oxygen. Oxygen plays a critical role in respiration, the energy producing chemistry that drives the metabolisms of most living things. We humans, along with many other creatures, need oxygen in the air we breathe to stay alive. Oxygen is generated during photosynthesis by plants and many types of microbes. We need to breathe clean and fresh air to stay healthy. Air becomes dirty because of dust and harmful gases. These gases come from smoke of things like vehicles, factories, and crackers. If we breathe impure or dirty air, we can fall sick. Plants keep air fresh and clean. We should grow more plants around us to remain healthy and should not light crackers and try to save and conserve our environment for healthy and beautiful life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay healthy.